In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a memory in ChatGPT. If you've ever wished your assistant could remember helpful details from previous conversations, this quick walkthrough is for you. The idea is simple. You'll open the conversation you care about, clearly tell ChatGPT what you want it to remember, and look for a confirmation that the memory was saved. Start by opening the specific chat where the information lives. This matters because you may be referring to context that's already on the screen. With the chat open, decide whether you want the assistant to remember the entire conversation or only a few key points. You can say something like, "Please save this entire chat as a memory," or, for more control, "Please remember these details," followed by the exact items you want stored. Often, choosing specific points is clearer and safer. Stick to non-sensitive facts you'd like the assistant to use later, such as a preferred writing tone, the tools you use, or recurring project details. Avoid private information you wouldn't want stored. For example, rather than sharing real personal data, you could say, "Please remember that I prefer step-by-step explanations," or "Please remember that I'm learning data visualization." After you make the request, wait for the assistant to confirm. You should see a message along the lines of "memory updated" or a similar acknowledgement. That confirmation tells you the request was understood and saved. If you ask to save only some parts, you'll typically see those specific items reflected in the confirmation. That's really the whole flow. Open the chat that contains the information, ask to save the entire conversation or only the pieces you care about, and look for the confirmation that the memory has been updated. The next time you return, those saved details can help the assistant tailor its responses and cut down on repeated explanations. A couple of quick tips as you do this. Be clear and concise in your request, so the assistant knows exactly what to store. Keep memories focused on stable preferences or facts that will actually help you later. And remember, features can vary. So if you don't see a confirmation, try rephrasing your request more directly. With that, you're ready to create a memory in ChatGPT. Give it a try in a chat you already use, choose what to save, and enjoy a smarter, more consistent experience going forward.